Hi, my name is Bob and welcome back to the homestead, y'all. Back in the summer I made a video, our top 5 mistakes that we made building our pole barn. So now that we have it built or pretty much done, I figured I would come back and do a top 5 things we did right, or the top 5 things we love about our pole barn. And the first and foremost, the number one thing is the size of our pole barn. We love the fact that we built it the size that we did. When we were originally talking about building a pole barn, we were looking at building a 30 by 50 pole barn. And we got to talking about it and laying everything out and drawing it out. And we realized that if we went another 10 feet wider and another 10 feet longer, that we could have bigger stalls and have more room between the stalls as a thoroughway to go through the center of the barn. That way I could pull a vehicle straight through, or a vehicle and a trailer. So I love the fact that we went with a 40 by 60 barn, and then we built 2 12-foot lean-tos, one on each side. So that's the number one thing we love about our pole barn, or that we did right building our pole barn, was the size of it. We love how big the barn is. As you can see behind me, there's a lot of space under the roof. By building a 40 by 60 with 2 12-foot lean-tos, it gives us plenty of space. The next thing we love, number 2 on the list, are these skylights, the clear panels that we put in. We love the fact that we put clear panels in. It lets so much more natural light in. The barn would be dark in the daytime without it. So we love the fact that we put 6 clear panels on the south side, and then we put 2 clear panels on the north side. So that way in the summertime, when the sun gets high in the sky, it'll let natural light in from the north side also. The third thing that we love about our pole barn is the fact that we used recycled material. All the metal that we used on the outside, on the gable ends, and on the sides was recycled metal. Plus we used a lot of recycled material inside building the stalls. So we love the fact that we were able to incorporate recycled materials into it. The number 4 thing that we love about our pole barn that we did right was dropping the lean-to on the south side to 10 feet instead of 12, and that left this 2-foot gap. So that way we could put clear panels on it and let that much more natural light in. It's unreal how much natural light this lets in between the clear sky panels that are on the top, on the roof, and the whole southern exposure, the whole 60 feet, and by 2 feet lets tons of natural light in. And we love that fact. And the fifth and final thing we love about our pole barn is the fact that we oriented it east to west. So that way in the wintertime, when the sun's low in the sky, south is that direction. The low southern sun shines into the skylights, shines into the 2-foot gap we left between the lean-to and the pole barn, and lets a lot of natural light and natural heat in. So the fact that we oriented it east to west to where the sun shines in there all winter long, we love that fact. So if you have any questions or comments about the top 5 things we love about building our pole barn, what we did right building our pole barn, please leave them in the comments below and we'll get to them as quick as we can. And as always, thanks for watching.